of no one. What a vivid experience in total sensation. These are my feelings and mortal escalation. To triumph beyond reality to my private destination. It's mine. All mine. I continue with my ascension. I'll be damned if I set up walls to act as some prevention. This world is mine to experiment and pronounce my own invention. The means to fathom a total life and every extremity of infinity's dissection. I am bound to the breath of this wild world. I will take my own direction. Multitudes of heritage will file their case for my moral election. I will lend my mind to everyone, taught in the art of liar detection. I will embrace every atom of this world without our societal protection. Everyone is me. I am everyone. This is my declaration. I am the puppet of no one.